What is up, guys? It's Rick. Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Today we're gonna be searching this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Get over. We're gonna be searching it for goodies, weapons, equipment, whatever I can get my hands on. We're gonna try to figure out where it came from, what it was used for, all that good stuff. Let's take a quick look inside. This thing is full of junk. Look at this thing. It's been raining, but finally we got a break in the weather. All right, got my glove on. Let's get started with this search. Water. Some type of cigar. Something in there stuck. Ooh, it's a magazine. 40 cal. Blicky got a stiffy, looking iffy, So right off the top I could tell that it's some macho cop. Check it out over here. I'm so excited. We're getting a new light bar. Excited?
He's not the one putting this thing in. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, all that technical work.
It's not hard at all.
No?
Not hard at all. Super easy.
Yo, check it out. Look what I found. Smoking is bad for little kids. I do apologize for the lack of uploads, but I've been extremely busy with work, as you can see. But thanks to my sponsor of today, I am able to take the time to get this video complete. This video sponsor is Cats Crash Arena Turbo Stars. This game is sick. It's an ingenious and stylish battle bot constructor game. You participate in the World Championship of Fighting Machines and need to build your ultimate battle card to reach the last stage called Crash Arena. Play as a mean street kitten and fight against real players all over the world in multiplayer. You assemble your card from spare parts you get from opening boxes, but the card itself fights automatically. The physics are unpredictable. You can join gangs and fight with your friends for special rewards. Conquer cities with your gang in the City Kings competition. You can customize your car and cat with weapons and appearance options. You can even share your best replays. How cool is that? Guys, don't miss the opportunity to participate in the new game mode called All Stars, which is a bi-weekly event in which you play on crazy modified arenas featuring traps like burning ground, low gravity, and bumps. Make sure to get the game now using the link below and enjoy a very cool collaboration between Cats and the famous toy car brand Hot Wheels. You can collect iconic Hot Wheels spare parts. So don't waste time. Go via the link below and unlock exclusive bonuses that will boost your game progress. See you guys in the game. Beat up spotlight handle. Girly energy pill. Diphenhydramine. Oh, check this out. This thing looks like a huge body camera. But it's actually a camera that cops set up, so it takes pictures of anybody entering a restricted area or video. And it has a SD card. I wonder what kind of footage is in here. Maybe I'll set this up here somewhere so I could catch thieves in the act. Dome light. Just gonna start putting stuff here. Oh, another one. Yeah. So this is my third one I found this month. Starting to get a little collection of these. Now I just gotta find the charger for it. Yeah, Streamlight. What is this? Got me a cup. You put right here so you don't get caked in the junk. It's pretty hard. Oh, this is weak. This is plastic. Super Police is probably for kids and stuff. Bunch of junk. Messy cup. A letter from Satina Manufacturing. Check it out. How cool is that? Brand new Satina sticker. California Highway Patrol sticker. More Satina stickers. Go through the back. Got some interior Cold 3 wingmans. Motorola speaker. It's a little rattling. Spotlight. Telling you, macho cops. But check this out. How cool is this? Federal Signal Master. Red and blue. We're gonna test them out. Those are nice. You should try setting these up, see if these work too. This setup right here. Dude, that looks so cool. Too bad you can't have them all on. Seat belt, wheel-in headlight flashers, some center console plates, one more plate, and a original PlayStation 8 megabyte memory card. Wow, you guys are probably too young to remember these. All right, please be a biscuit, and I'm not talking about bread. Oh, come on. Yo, buddy, I'm gonna need help breaking into the trunk again. Wait, what did you say? So I was thinking about doing another can you break out of a police car challenge, but this time with subscribers. So if you're a subscriber and you want to head out here and get put in the back of the police car and see if you can get out, let me know if you're up for the challenge. I think that's going to be an interesting video. All right, got a fleet key. Oh damn, there's all kinds of garbage in here. Okay, we're gonna start from the top. This looks like a rear bumper. How cool is that? Meow. Meow. I don't know what this is. Motorola. We got a suspect. Ah! Spider. Searchy paper acid. It's like for testing evidence or something. No freaking way. Do you know what this is? These are flashbang grenades. Dude. No freaking. Oh. Ah, my goodness. Dude, that just scared the living crap out of me. I don't know if they're gonna blow or what. Oh, and I spilled my drink. Yo, Lieutenant! This is freaking scary. Lieutenant Wilson! Dude, check this out.
Nice.
You ever used one of those before?
Dude,
hold on. What are you doing?
I think.
Oh my god! Oh. Ah! Oh, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh no. That was so loud. Woo! That's not a concussion grenade, right? That's the difference. Dude, we were right next to the CNG tanks. This guy is dangerous, man. I'm getting the heck away from you. You're freaking dangerous. What do you mean it's not your fault? You just...
It's my fault.
You pulled the pin on that thing.
Okay, but is there any more?
Yeah, there's here.
Let me see.
Dude, hold on. Let's no. I got an idea. Let's throw it in the porta potty when somebody's taking a poop.
I'm gonna set this down for now. Hold on to that for later.